welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a cake, like a Minions themed cake. I got the idea when I was looking at our baking fails and realizing that, I think that I could make a fairly simple Minions cake. It would be fun to make, yeah? So let's get started. I started out by frosting a 6-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. Then I rolled out some yellow fondant. This is not pure yellow, it's mostly yellow food coloring mixed with just a touch of red to warm up the color, and I think it's the perfect minion color. I covered the cake with it and trimmed off the excess with a knife. I rolled out some white and cut out a circle and placed it in the middle of the cake. I rolled out some brown and cut out a small circle and placed it in the middle of the eye. Then some black and cut out a smaller circle and placed it on the eye. Then I rolled out some gray fondant and cut out a ring and placed it around the eye. Then I rolled out a strip of gray and laid it on either side of the eye. Finally, I rolled out some tiny black snakes and placed them on top of the head to be a few strands of hair. I think this cake is adorable. It reminds me of the movie Minions or any of the Despicable Me series. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Support us on Patreon. Don't forget to subscribe for a new cake video every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.